In 2007, Ministry of Railways decided to set up a railway coach factory at Raebareli. The vision was to set up a modern coach factory having an annual production capacity of 1,000 high-speed stainless steel coaches. To achieve this, the factory would be equipped with state-of-the-art technologies and advanced production processes without compromising the needs of the workforce and environment sustainability.
While setting up the factory, we have chosen modern technology and processes which are highly productive and eco-friendly.
This vision is echoed in the choice of technologies, production processes, the factory buildings and township.
आधुनिक रेल डिब्बा कारखाना भारतीय रेल की एक तीसरी सवारी डिब्बा बनाने वाली इकाई है। ये कारखाना केवल स्टेनलेस स्टील के नए डिजाइन के डिब्बों के निर्माण के लिए स्थापित किया गया है।
Modernization is reflected in every aspect.
Due to setting up of this factory, there has been increase in employment opportunities for the local peoples and increased business opportunities for local entrepreneurs.
Activities of production are divided in 4 groups: shell manufacturing, bogie fabrication and wheel assembly, blasting and painting, and furnishing. Using laser cutting and CNC press brakes, components are fabricated in sheet metal shop. Sidewall, roof and underframe are fabricated using robotic welding, spot welding and laser cutting and welding machine. The entire process of fabrication is automated with a production capacity of 2 shells per shift. These sub-assemblies and components are then assembled in the shell assembly section. For effective material handling, the shop is fully equipped with cranes, forklifters and storage pallets. The assembled shells are blasted for surface preparation and transferred to the paint shop. Painting is done by an automated shell painting booth. Painted shells are then transferred to furnishing shop. Furnishing is done in 16 stages. To accommodate shells in the furnishing shop, 8 lines are provided. The shop can accommodate 80 shells at a time. Bogie fabrication starts with profile cutting on underwater plasma. Profile cut components are machined and formed on edge milling and press brake machines respectively. Bogie frame and bolster fabrication is done on an automated bogie fabrication line. Components are pre-tagged to fixtures and then welded using robots. Bogie frame and bolsters are then machined on high productivity bolster and 5-axis bogie frame machining center. This bogie fabrication line is capable of producing 2 coach set bogies in each working shift. Wheels are assembled on an automatic wheel line. From handling to machining of wheel discs and axles, the entire process is automated with a cycle time of 18 minutes. The wheels, machined bogie frame and bolster are then assembled and the complete bogie is transferred to the furnishing shop. Furnished shells are lowered onto the bogies and then tested on quality and safety parameters. Shower testing is done to check for leakages. Once cleared by quality, the coaches are ready for dispatch.
यद्यपि वर्ष 2011-12 में भारतीय रेल की तीसरी उत्पादन इकाई के रूप में सवारी डिब्बों का निर्माण रेल कोच फैक्ट्री की सहायता से प्रारंभ हुआ था, वर्ष 2016-17 अर्थात पिछले वर्ष से ये कारखाना पूर्णतया आत्मनिर्भर हो गया है।
Factory is fully equipped with ancillary facilities for seamless production. Inventory is stored in automatic storage and retrieval system ASRS. Millwright, tool room and centralized gas storage facility provide valuable support to production. Quality of production and safety and comfort of passengers is accorded the highest priority. In railway coach production here, inspection is carried out by a dedicated team at every stage of production. Continuous upgradation of designs to meet the changing demands is handled by a team of design engineers.
In 2016-17, we have manufactured 5 Humsafar rake of full AC 3-tier coaches with upgraded passenger comfort and safety features. And 2 Antyodaya rakes with enhanced passenger amenities for unreserved rail journey. Various initiatives like harnessing of solar power by setting up a 2 megawatt solar plant, afforestation, rainwater harvesting, sewage treatment and utilization of natural light ensure balance between industry and environment.
The factory and the township are designed keeping the comfort and well-being of the workforce in mind. A content personnel is more productive and committed. The factory township has a school, a hospital, a club and various recreational facilities. Encouraging the employees to enjoy their leisure time fully, ensuring that everyone returns to the factory refreshed and ready for work. Various sports and cultural activities promote communal and social harmony. Setting an example of community living and social development. Modern Coach Factory Raebareli remains committed to its mission of producing world-class railway coaches without compromising on the welfare of its workforce. As a team, the entire workforce strives to achieve this vision of national development.
इस कारखाने ने लगभग 60% की उत्पादन क्षमता वर्ष 2016-17 से प्राप्त कर ली है एवं अगले एक वर्ष में 100% उत्पादन क्षमता प्राप्त करने का लक्ष्य रखा गया है।
So far, till 31st March 2017, 1,219 number of LHB coaches have been manufactured in Modern Coach Factory Raebareli, out of which 576 numbers have been manufactured in 2016-17.